Kazan Federal University. If the dream lives inside you to wear the white coat to save lives and to serve with compassion, then let us help you to turn your dream into reality. Hello everyone, welcome or welcome back to Higher Education Center, where through our C's, where we empower students like you to become a globally respected doctors. Today, I am here to introduce you to one of the Russia's top medical universities, Kazan Federal University. KFU, and more importantly, how we at HEC guide you all the way to PG in Germany and other top countries. This is not just about getting an MBBS degree, it's about building a global medical career with complete support at every step. So here's what we'll discuss in this particular video: why Kazan Federal University KFU, MBBS course structure, clinical exposure and innovation, global recognition, licensing and exams, PG pathways in Germany, affordable fee structure, and of course support offered by Higher Education Center. So watch till the end because we have covered all the points in this video. So established in 1804, Kazan Federal University is one of the oldest and the most prestigious universities in Russia, and recognized for its excellence in medical education and scientific research. Even the world-famous scientist V. Edmund Lenin studied here. KFU is ranked among the top 400 universities in the world and one of the top 10 universities in Russia. So 6 years MBBS program, general medicine program, fully taught in English for international students, early clinical exposure from second year, training in university hospitals and state-of-the-art stimulation labs. So at KFU, you are not just learning from books, you will get an experience, live clinical rotations, multidisciplinary hospitals, advanced anatomical labs, AI integrated diagnosis training, real-world research opportunities. KFU is also at the forefront of the brain research and vaccine development, collaborating with global institutions, medical institutions. Medical degree recognized by WHO, WFME, NMC in India, so it means you are eligible for next exam. PLAB or USMLE, also you are eligible for PG pathways in Germany. So unlike other people out there who disappear after admission, we stay with you until you specialize. So at Higher Education Center, you get step-by-step PG guidance for Germany, equivalence translation, visa process, licensing support to everything, assistance for clinical rotation, language courses, and hospital placements, mentorship for PG in countries like Germany. Talking about the affordability, tuition fees only ranges from 3 to 5 lakh rupees, and of course, Indian mess and facilities are also available here. Now let's talk about support offered by Higher Education Center. So from the moment you say yes, we are here with you at every step. Admission process, to visa, to police verification, airport pickup, local support, hostel, meal arrangements, SIM card, bank account opening, direct PG pathway guidance. You don't just get an admission, you get a complete medical journey hand-held by our expert team. And if you wonder how we are able to bring this all opportunity for you guys, that is because our founder is also an honorable member of European Commission Expert Committee. We are partnered with 10,000 plus universities in 50 plus countries across 5 plus continents. And that makes us special. So guys, what you are waiting for? Contact Higher Education Center with Through Overseas today itself, and let's get started your medical journey today itself.